Hi, I'm Dean from Granthams Retford, and today I want to show you a really special van conversion from Moto-Trek. It's the Leisure Treka ELD Elite. Got one here. I'm going to show you a few of the features on this. They're absolutely superb vans. Let's go and take a look. You'll notice they're all in this colour coordinated, even the bumpers, like a gunmetal grey. Flush windows all round. The awning on the top is also colour coded, which is really unusual in any camper van. Even the hookup and barbecue point covers are colour coded. Round the back, we've got an integrated reversing camera into the rear brake light with infrared sensors in. The back doors open up to provide your access. So imagine you're on there camping on the edge of a cliff, you want to overlook the sea and have a bite to eat. Perfect opportunity to do that. As you come around this side, fantastic alloy wheels are worth a look as well, again unique to the Moto-Trek range. And you haven't got to worry about gas bottles, it comes with an onboard gas tank, so you just fill up at a petrol station. Let's have a look inside. So you've got two forward-facing travelling seats, which forms the lounge area here, so there's plenty of space to just kick back and relax. You've got, again, standard equipment, a rear view monitor, camera, you've got satellite navigation, you've got cruise control, air conditioning, USB sockets, all in the front here, as you would expect from something of this calibre. And then towards the back, you've got this fantastic lounge area, which really does give it a spacious feel. Let's face it, you need somewhere to relax sometimes. You've got plenty of space to do that in this. You've also got a television, again included in the price. Proper cooker with an oven grill combo with 3 hobs. You've also got an integrated microwave. When you're on a mains hookup, that's dead handy. Blinds all round, fly screens all round, solar panel on the roof, TV aerial, really does have everything. And it's got a fantastic bathroom. So if you want to come and have a look at it, give us a call. It's in stock at the Retford branch for people to view. I've got a couple left for forward order from the factory, available this season.